And we're back for another week. Well, this week we are doing one of JFK and Ernest Hemingway's favorite drinks, the daiquiri. Let's go. So the daiquiri was invented in Cuba. The origins are still a little gray. Could have been made by an American engineer or even a congressman that was doing business in Cuba. Either way, it's delicious, and we know that. This, on the other hand, is a variation of the original daiquiri. We still use the original recipe, 2 ounces of white rum, 1 ounce of lime juice, and 3/4 ounce of simple syrup. But instead of a normal simple syrup, we made a strawberry simple syrup. So in theory, this is a strawberry daiquiri. Not the frozen kind that you get out of the machine. We don't do those here. Well, at least yet. Now let's see how it's made. So what do you guys think? It's a delicious little cocktail. And we're still drinking it now. The lime and some of the strawberries that I used were a little unripe, so have a little bit of the tartness, and not to mention another Cuban-esque island drink that combated scurvy, so we got that going for us. Either way, guys, like, comment, subscribe. Hope you enjoyed the video this week. Cheers, and here's to the weekend. See you next week.